TCK's video chat support service is the total customer support solution of the next generation. Video Chat Support Service Solution is a real-time video support service that enables bilateral communication between a customer and an agent without a complicated app installation process. If you are operating a customer service center, you can provide a diverse and convenient customer support service with the Video Chat Support Service. Voice call, video call, screen sharing, remote chat service, and more. Video Chat Support Service has various features that can replace a face-to-face customer support service. Customers have access to expert customer service without the need to visit a service center. Complex document contents, such as terms and conditions of an insurance product or legal advice, can be delivered to customers quickly and more accurately through video chat support. Also, directly receiving essential information, such as personal information and electronic signatures from the customers, can prevent incomplete sales and security incidents. You can also check the scene of an accident with real-time video support. Real-time video support allows your agent to take agile action, and also, the collected video records can be stored as evidence. Agents can remotely diagnose the product's status and provide an accurate solution. With Transcosmos, Korea's video chat support service solution, you can provide advanced customer support service